Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, and today in this video I'm going to teach you how you can use the Phone Master application on your Infinix or Techno mobile. As I have opened this application, here you can see the junk files option. The junk files option is mostly used to clean the temporary files which have been created by different applications. And the next option is Phone Cooler. It is used to close the backend running apps which has been heating up your CPU. And the next option is Phone Boost, which can free your RAM. Okay, and the next option is antivirus, which can protect your files from any security threat. Moving towards the next option, this is power saving. Okay, so this is just different than other power saving mode. This is different than a battery power saver. Okay, by using this power saving option, you can just stop those background running applications which are consuming your battery. Okay, so now moving towards the next option, here is the data manager. Data manager can easily track your mobile data on your different SIM cards. And here is the option app lock, which is my most favorite option in these mobile phones, through which you can easily protect your applications or your privacy from others. And the last one option is ultra power saving mode. If you are out of battery and you don't have any source to charge your phone and you have any important thing to do on your mobile phone, so you can just put your phone on ultra power saving mode, and it can easily enhance your battery up to more time. Okay, so now I think that this video shall be helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more interesting future updates. Thanks for watching.